Again, video of the day, medyo post na ako since nag-shoutcast ako sa isang ML tournament ngayon. Anyways, we have here New York Army, and I think alam nyo na yung pattern nito guys, so yun nga. Let's review it. Okay, so unbox natin talaga siya. Baka kasi sabihin ninyo na alam nyo na, bias na naman tayo. So we have here Manhattan. Hindi na ako nag-research kung ano nga ba yung kaamoy talaga niya. And naghugas na ako ng braso ko from kanina sa ano tawag dito, Treasure Sense. Actually, nawala na agad siya eh. After what, 2 hours? Nawala agad siya. So, anyways, Manhattan. Close play tayo doon, sir. YSL. YSLY. It smells like YSLY. Or even the top of a car. Tama ba ako? Sa mga merong Manhattan dyan, is it a inspired perfume by YSL? I hope I'm right. Kasi it really smells like Manhattan. The lavender smell is there. It actually smells nice. Kawin siya ng isang YSLY. I like it. You know what? I like it. And the juice quality is good. Yeah, so far, I'm impressed. Next natin dito is si unboxing time. You have here Empire. Yo. So, dito tayo ulit. The cosplay. Ano to? I can smell patchouli, green apple. Don't tell me na Versace Eros to sa Empire. Because if Versace Eros to, man, layo. Kung Versace Eros man siya, pero from the smell itself, hindi. Hindi ko siya gusto. Kung ito yung tinatawag nyo lang, fuckboy scent, pabango ng mga fuckboy, man. It's not it, pre. Napaka-weak ng juice niya. Next, ito naman. So, open natin siya. Anyways, Manhattan is good, promise. I like the Manhattan. You have here Brooklyn. Bawal. We don't do that shots fired. Okay. Ano to? Ako lang ba? Magkaamoy silang dalaw ni Manhattan and Brooklyn? No. Manhattan is better. Well, the Brooklyn, I smell some citrusy, peppery scent. Sana hindi siya Dior Sauvage kasi if Dior Sauvage siya, malayo ulit. Okay? Pero sa Brooklyn, I can smell the pepper, citrusy siya. I think it's the bergamot or lemon. I'm not really sure. Hindi medyo may pagka warm spicy siya. Again, I like them both, Manhattan and Brooklyn. Pero I think yung Empire yung least favorite ko out of those three. Last but not the least, here. Ano ba to? This is Bronx. So here Bronx. So okay. Literally smells like alcohol. Sorry. Hindi pala alcohol. Tubig na may alcohol. Combination of two. The fact that it doesn't even project, that sucks. I think I know my worst na. So, this is worst. I'd rather use the Empire than Bronx. Pero, yun nga. So far, out of the New York Army scents, my favorite is Manhattan and Brooklyn. I think kung bibili man kayo, I'd rather suggest these two. The juice quality is good. Medyo nagpo-project siya. Compared to these two, Bronx literally smells like alcohol na may tubig. While Empire, para kang amoy lolo na tito. Alam mo yun? Hindi po ng lolo na simula 1970s pa nasa nagpabango. Anyways, yun lang naman para sa akin. I'm not here to judge, pero kung, iba tayong opinion, I'm sorry, pero for me, yun yung opinion ko sa New York Army. Anyways, that's all. That's all for today. Shut up, pa ako mamaya. Bye.